Welcome to the channel. In today's video I want to show you guys Kling AI image to video features. Okay, so in my previous video, a couple of videos I done regarding the Kling AI, and I showed you guys how to create the videos, and also how to how to use how to navigate this software. In this video I just want to show you how to create the video out of the images. Okay, so to do so, what we need to do is we just need to click on this AI button here, AI video button here. Okay, and once we are inside it, okay, it will be an option, not text to video, but image to video. Okay, so this is the option we need to choose if you want to actual creation based on the existing image. Now the second part would be we just have to go and drag and drop the image inside our inside the Kling AI. Okay, this image I'm gonna be using for this purposes. Okay, so I will be just using that now. Just 1 second. Okay, so the image has been pasted in. I'm actually cannot actually drag and drop inside the Kling AI. I just have to go and choose this. I had to choose this image from the drop down list. Okay, of the folder of my computer. So we just have to remember that you have to go and go. Next option is next prompt is optional. Okay, so you can actually put whatever you wish to do with this particular image, or you can go and Kling AI best practices. If you want to click on it, that will redirect you to the to some sort of guide on how to actually prompt this Kling AI for the best results. All right, so I think that's quite interesting because you guys can see you can start testing your own ideas by putting the different prompts into it. Okay, they have use their tricks and tips so for the best results. All right, so but for the moment we don't have to do anything about it because it says optional. Okay, unless you really want to do it. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to keep this we either want to make more creative this software, or we want to be more relevant to the original picture we dropped in. I leave it in the middle. Let's see what's happened. Okay, professional mode is only for the premium members, so remember this premium members you can go and purchase yourself. I'm using the free credits at the moment. Okay, so and the length of the video, it can be either 5 or 10 seconds. I think 5 seconds is absolutely fine. Negative prompts, in case if you need it, perfect, you can do it. And here if you want to do is we can also do some sort of a camera movement, but this option I believe is also available for the premium users. And again, which I do really like about this software is that you can generate, you already see how many credits you'll be charged for it, and there is a itemized bill. Okay, so whichever option you're gonna choose, they're gonna itemize that for you, so you see exactly what you are paying for, which is which is great. Okay, let's go and generate. Okay, so the image will be generated for us now, and I think I will put it on pause, and I'll come back once it's ready. Now I just want to share with you guys some feedback, because I'm waiting for this video to be generated, and it's nearly half an hour now and still hasn't been completed. Okay, so there are two things. Either there is a queue, and I believe that might be true because this Kling AI tool is quite popular those days, and I'm using the free credits, right? So I'm not on that priority to queue. So that's one option. The second option is that there's some sort of bug and this video will not be generated at all. I'm keen to see it maybe in half an hour it has been completed or not, but still I wouldn't be waiting longer with this video. I'll finalize this one here. You guys know how to do it now. You just go and test it yourself. I just said, because I'm waiting for so long for this video to be generated, I don't want to carry on. I will just finish on this one here. If you got any questions, leave it down below. And if you can subscribe to my channel, be much appreciated. Thank you very much.